Hello students. Today, we will complete review exercise 1 remaining questions. Question 8. The sum of 3 consecutive odd integers is 51. Find the 3 integers. Students, इसमें भी previously discussed question वाला method apply होगा. 3 odd integers find करने हैं जिन्हें add करने से 51 आए. इसके लिए 3 odd numbers assume करने हैं. इन्हीं sum करके 51 के equal write करना है. Then, 6 opposite side पे माइनस होके 45 रह जाएगा. Then, 3 डिवाइड करके 15 फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर है. इसको assumed odd numbers में x की जगह पुट करके remaining 2 odd numbers 17 और 19 भी आ जाएंगे. Which means, 15, 17 और 19 को add करने से 51 आएगा. Question 9. Abdullah picked up 96 balls and placed them into 2 buckets. One bucket has 28 more balls than the other bucket. How many balls were in each bucket? Statement के according to conditions बनेगी. First will be x plus y equals 96 and second will be x equals 28 plus y. Now, इन दोनों conditions को plus करेंगे. Plus y minus y से cancel. X plus x 2x, and 96 plus 28 becomes 124. 2 opposite side पे divide, and x equals 62. Put this value in first equation. And we get y equals 34. Lastly, question 10. Salma invested rupees 350,000 in a bank, which paid simple profit at a rate 7.25% per annum. After 2 years, the rate was increased to 8% per annum. Find the amount she had at the end of 7 years. इस question में 7 years का time period given है. इसको 2 parts में divide करके separate solve करेंगे. एक 2 years और दूसरा 5 years. Principal amount दोनों में सेम आएगी, time period different है और profit rate. Then, profit का formula apply करके values multiply हो जाएगी. And we got profit for both 2 and 5 years. Now, find the total profit by adding both profit values. It will be rupees 190,750. इस total profit में given profit को plus करके total amount rupees 540,750 आ जाएगी. Thank you for watching.